Hello, good day viewers. Today we had the privilege to test this Mavic Mini. It's the new Mavic Mini. It looks a baby Mavic. Do you think baby Mavic it's a better name for this? Comment down below. Looking at the outside, it has the same design, foldable arms like this. Foldable arms, and has the same design of the nose. It's the Mavic. The propellers is mounted by a screw. See, mounted by a screw. I don't know if that's a good thing, because for me, I always like to remove my props if I'm not using it for a very long time. And for this, I think you have a small screwdriver to put it down, but it seems to be handled very well on this one. The power button is right here down below. Down below, and the battery is mounted at the back. This is for the SD card, and this is for the portable charging. For the remote, this is the remote. Same design as the bigger Mavics, but with less functions, with less buttons. So this is an example of. This is a prototype, but it's the same. This is the controller for the Mavic Pros. It has this screen display info. The Mavic Mini doesn't have. It has same antennas, controls, return to home button, same. Power button, same. It has the shutter button, record, video record, and then the camera shutter. It only has one dial for the gimbal. It doesn't have the other two dials and the other functions, just like the Mavic. See, you have this gimbal dial, exposure control, and then two functions. And it doesn't have this famous DJI logo on top like this. Good thing here is this stick is removable for portability. You can place it underneath, just like that, for portability. See? So it's doesn't have this one. You can lay it down flat. Mavic Mini, this is the bag of the Mavic Mini. This compared to the bag of the Mavic Pros. So size wise, it's pretty much the same. For the batteries, it has this battery hub, which you can put the charging up. This also serves as a charging hub. You can charge 3 batteries at the same time. Here, this is the Mavic 2. So it's this size. See? This is the Mavic Pro, which is the one I have. Mavic Air. It's the Mavic Air. It's almost the same size as the Mavic Air. But when folded, see, when it's folded, it's a little bit smaller. The Mini is a little bit smaller. So this is the Mavic Mini with the prop guards, because we'll try to fly it, and because we are indoors, it's safe to put the prop guards. Now this is the new DJI app for the Mavic Mini. To use the Mavic Mini, you have to download the DJI Fly. Go onto the DJI app. It has less information. The new app has less information. Doesn't have the. It only has the basic information map, because we're inside the jet. Camera functions. It has single and time shots. It doesn't have the panoramic and other and 360 HDR auto exposure bracketing. It has the time shots, which we can do the time lapse. I think the files of this is only JPEG files. Okay, and for the video, it has 2.7K. You can shoot at 30 frames per second and 25 frames per second. And you can also do 1080p, 25 frames per second, 30 frames per second, 50 frames per second, and 60 frames per second. It doesn't have 4K. It has quick shots. So if you fly the drone using this stick. So let me know what do you think about the noise of the propellers. Comment down below. Flying very smoothly. Controls. Now this app has 3 modes. Now we're in P mode. Let's put it in sport mode. Thank you for Al Gadgets for giving me the privilege to review the Mavic Mini in their shop. So visit out Al Gadgets.